Hi guys, I had another question about will ketosis harm the kidneys, okay? When I hear that, it's almost like I want to just withhold the laughter because take a look at something. If you have high insulin, high blood sugar, you're a diabetic or a pre-diabetic, there are 4 areas of your body that get destroyed. Number 1, the kidneys, okay? So high insulin and high sugar target the kidneys as an area of destruction, okay? It'll destroy the brain, the nerves, the arteries, and the retina in your eye. So what does the ketosis diet do? It lowers insulin. It lowers blood sugars. So anything that lowers insulin or blood sugars is going to help the kidney. And the type of ketogenic diet that I recommend, which is a healthy version, is consuming lots of greens, which will give you the potassium, which protects the kidney. Now, if the kidney is in a stage 4 or whatever, like an end-stage renal failure, it lost control and your potassium can go high, in which case you don't want to add any potassium, okay? But we're not talking about that situation. That is a rare situation. We're talking about all the conditions that occur before that, okay? And you need potassium to actually help the kidneys. You need vegetables to do that. So the hallmark of the ketogenic diet is a low-carb diet. Low carbs reduce insulin, reduce blood sugars. The ketogenic diet is not a high protein diet. Okay, the Atkins is, but the ketogenic diet is a moderate protein diet. It will not harm your kidneys, okay? And then if we add intermittent fasting on top of that, that's putting the icing on the cake. Well, maybe I shouldn't talk about icing on cake right now, but that will help the kidneys even more. So the combination is very powerful to heal your kidneys, not damage them. Thanks for watching. Hey, before you go, definitely sign up for my free keto course. I put a link down below. It's on Messenger and Facebook, but it will give you all the basics. It's very quick. It's like 3 or 4 videos, and it's free. Check it out.